In front of me is Vivo Y95 and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app and tapping on this red button at the bottom to start. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, click on the same button. To add a bookmark, click on Add Tags. To end it and save it, click on this check mark on the left. And then name it. Now hit save here, and to access list of all your recordings, click on those three lines on the right. To play it, click on it. And to delete it, go back and hold it. Then choose delete and confirm your choice. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!